Hi guys, Eric Prospero here. Today we're going to be discussing microlearning examples specifically for the travel industry. We had the opportunity to partner with Oceania Cruises on a really cool project to teach an older demographic how to use social media, how to take pictures, and it was an interesting business goal. Of course, Oceania Cruises wants their passengers to take as much photos as possible, to share them online, so their friends can see how much fun they're having on cruises. Now, the problem that they're having is a lot of this older demographic, they weren't necessarily the most tech savvy. So it was up to us, and as well as partnered with Oceania, to create an engaging in-person online experience where their attendees can show up to a coffee shop, take this online module, and feel confident taking photos in person as well as throughout their travel experience. So if you stick around for this, I'm actually going to show you the interactive visual module that we produced and provide some really useful tips on how to execute a project like this. When we jumped onto this project, we had some challenges. We had to develop a system that was compatible with the boat's intranet or a cruise ship's intranet. Fortunately, we were able to develop a system using a lot of tools you guys are familiar with, Storyline, video modules. The next thing we had to do was create a curriculum that taught how to use social media, how to use your phone for pictures, that combined online activities with offline activities. And to be honest with you, I was so pumped about this because it was a very practical series on education. We were literally showing people how to log in for Facebook or create a Facebook profile while they were doing that on their phone right there. We were showing them how to take pictures, having them create really cool examples. And the best part about this project was the fact that there was a way to track their behavior after they'd gone through the e-learning course. What's great about the marketing space, especially in social media, there's a lot of valid metrics. So we were able to track whether the people going through the course were posting more, creating more user-generated content that really highlighted and built the brand of Oceania Cruises. So before we jump into anything else, let me show you this really cool example.
There are a couple of other ways to make your reel stand out: audio and effects. To add music or sound effects to your reel, from the Reel menu, tap on Audio. As you can see, you'll find a list of songs to search. Type in your favorite song and tap to add. Instagram's music library isn't complete, but many options are available.
As you can see, this online module combines a lot of things. It had an actor on camera, it was interactive video, we had animations, and we had scenario-based learning. Again, one of my favorite projects because it was a very immersive learning experience that had practical use, and we're able to track the data behind this. With that being said, the one key tip for this video series is to be open. If you're going to be hiring an actor to be involved in the course process, and just for context, some of our clients, they don't really want to showcase their internal subject matter experts. They want an actor that resonates with their audience. The big tip I have for you is to be a little more patient or open to the types of actors that are available. Now, of course, you want to choose somebody that's aligned with your brand, that represents a professional product and user experience. But with that being said, you're not going to be able to get Tom Cruise. I mean, I don't know what your budget is. So when you're using actors, voice actors, live action actors, just make sure to be a little patient with the process. Understand that you're not going to get the perfect person. And then, of course, everything can be expedited with proper planning. So if you coach the actor up, you give them enough resources, they can show up in the best way to represent your brand. And in this link, I'll show you some of our other in the description, I'll post some links about some of our other videos with actors, just so you can actually see some cool examples. Thanks again, guys. Make sure to subscribe and have a great day. Cheers.
If you want to continue learning about microlearning best practices, be sure to subscribe to our channel, the Microlearning Lab by Ninja Tropic. We'll keep sharing the latest tips, tricks, and techniques to help you get the most out of your training programs.